A short time ago, a precious space cargo touched down safely in Utah. It's the culmination of the 7-year, multi-million-dollar NASA space odyssey. Scientists hoping it's going to reveal clues about the origin of the solar system and the inception of life. Think of what we actually could find out. Joining us now, again, is NBC's Liz Kreutz with the very latest on the landing that had NASA scientists celebrating. Take us there and the potentially monumental things we could feasibly learn from this.
Hey, Yasmin, yeah, this is so cool. This is an asteroid, a sample from an asteroid 200 million miles away from Earth. As you mentioned, it was a 7-year journey and mission to get this. It's from an asteroid called Bennu. And I asked a scientist, I said, why'd you choose this asteroid? What's so special about this one? And they said, well, it's actually close to Earth, even though it's 200 million miles away. It was one of the easiest ones to get to. And they say that it contains some of the molecules that could teach us about the origins of Earth, the origins of our solar system. It's been a really complicated mission, started 7 years ago in 2016. And when the spacecraft finally touched down on this asteroid, the scientists told me that it was like landing in a pit of balls. The spacecraft just kept sinking into it. So it was really hard to get this sample. Eventually they did. It's just a half a pound of rocks and dust. It made its way back to Earth. Took years again, this mission. And this morning, when it finally entered the atmosphere, it was going 27,000 miles an hour. It looked like a giant ball of fire. It reached 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It made its way over San Francisco and eventually landed in the Utah desert. This precious cargo, scientists were able to go out and retrieve it. They're now going to ship it to the Johnson Space Center in NASA, where they're going to continue to study it for years. So really exciting stuff. And everybody, all the astronauts were cheering as it landed.